Hi everyone, I'm Edna again. Today, right, I want to learn how to do basic makeup. So today, right, teacher Julia is going to teach us how to do basic makeup. So if any questions, right, you can ask her and then comment on the video, yeah. So I'll see you soon, yeah. Bye bye. Hey everyone, today, right, I'm going to teach you very basic makeup. So the first thing we use is going to be primer, foundation primer. Then after that we're going to use liquid foundation. Next we're going to use eye primer. And fourth we're going to use eyeshadow. And then followed by your eyeliner. In some case there's no right no wrong whether you should put eyeliner first or eyeshadow first. And then next we're going to be blusher. And then lastly we're going to put lipstick. So I'll show you the steps right now. So first thing first, I'm going to put my foundation primer first. So primer is this is very rich in hyaluronic acid, so it gives you that glowy skin. So it has hyaluronic acids, right, to also give you that hydration, so that when you apply makeup, right, the makeup will last longer also, and then you reduce the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles and also the pores area. So just use a little bit goes a long way. For me, right, I didn't put the whole face. Areas you have a lot of lines, you can put a lot, so that the lines are not so visible. And furthermore, right, Mary Kay, I'm using Mary Kay product. So this one, Mary Kay liquid foundation, has anti-aging benefits, so that's why your lines are not so obvious. So next, right, I'm going to use this because I have oily combination to oily skin, so I'm going to use this matte liquid foundation. I'm using Ivory Tree. So I don't put too much. A little bit goes a long way. But right, I always start from I learned from the Japanese makeup artists, right? They always start from the eye area much more thicker, then after that they move downwards. And then the forehead they move upwards. And then eyes they put a little bit. So make sure you blend properly. I find that liquid foundation is very easy for amateur artists to use. And furthermore, right, our liquid foundation, right, blends very easily. Even youngsters or even amateurs also can use. So, and plus this has more coverage. It's much more of full coverage than the sheer coverage. So that's why I love this one. So it gives you that flawless looking skin. You can see that even your lines are not so obvious. Okay, cool. So next, right, you can skip the powder if you want to, because I for one don't like to put powder, because I like the chuk kind of look. Chuk meaning in Korean means a bit of glassy, watery skin kind. So you can see it's give you that luminous effect. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm gonna put a little bit of the eye primer. You can put a little bit of loose powder if you want to, but I normally skip that. So I use my eye primer. This is my eye primer. Okay, it helps to make your eye makeup much more long lasting. So just pat on the top lid area will do. So we're just going to do a very simple basic makeup, assuming that you have already done your brows, but if you want to touch up your brows you can. So I normally touch up my brows a little bit. Okay, normally how you draw out your brows, right, this part will be the beginning, and then this one is your arch area, okay, and then this is where you end, this part, your ending will be here. So it draws, and then after that I'll use the back of the cap to just swirl, to brush. It gives a much more lighter. So this part must be light. When you draw your brows, this part must be dark and pointy. Okay? Same for here. So you must balance. Every one of us will face this problem whereby one eyebrow is higher than the other one. It's common, so just need to draw a similarity shape will do. See, it's similar, right? Okay, good. So next, right, brows, it takes some time to draw, to learn how to draw, yeah? So if you're not so sure how to draw, go and do embroidery if you can. I strongly recommend how to do embroidery if you're very lazy to draw. Because as we age also, we don't have much time to draw anyway, right? But then again, when you have the embroidery, it's easy to touch up later, or you can draw a little bit later. Okay, good. So we've already done our eye primer. So next, I'm going to show you, I'm going to use this color, a very basic color. So if you are cool tone, if your vein color is green, you are warm tone. If your vein color is blue, you're cool tone. So if you have both vein color, it means you're neutral tone, so you can wear any colors that you want to. Fortunately for Mary Kay at Play, most of the colors are quite neutral tones. You can wear with any colors and you won't be making a mistake. So today I'm going to use this glowing rose. This is my favorite. So I'm going to do a very simple day look. So I'm going to use this pink at the front. So I'm so amazed by the Japanese makeup. Oh, I love it so much. How many of you go Tokyo? Oh my goodness. I will go crazy at the cosmetic area because they are very cute. Packaging also. Oh. Now I know why some of my trainer, they like to go Tokyo so much. Okay, next I'm going to put the... So you paint the first color, the socket area. Actually, this is so light, right, that you can also use it as the whole highlighter area. So if you want, right, you can follow this Naomi Watanabe's makeup. You know, she is so 夸张 one, you know. I mean, she's very exaggerating one. All her eye makeup, right, is very glittery. No matter how puffy her eyes, right, she don't care. She just apply also. Okay. Then after that, you can apply this pinkish thingy. The whole area. Very basic one. Light and sweet. Very basic color. Because you apply this one first, right? So when you apply the second one, the color is not so dark. So you paint slightly higher so that the eye look bigger. Just like that. So this is your socket area. You can use your forefinger to touch. This is your socket area, and this is how you do your second color. Alright. Then after that, right, the easy thing is, a lot of my consultant ask, how do you draw your eyeliner? So I'm going to teach you a very simple eyeliner. This one I got from Dubai, this Kiko Intense eye pencil. You just draw close to your lash line area, and then you just do dash, dash, dash. Can you see? If you don't want to do the flip, you can just leave it and then leave it longer, so that your eye makeup looks, so that your eyes look bigger. I want to go crazy at their contact lens, but I don't dare. I love their contact lens color though. Okay, and then you can use your finger to make it sharper, so it looks thinner this way. So same for the next one. So just draw close to the lash line. Just like that. So just draw closer to the lash line. For me, right, I use brown, this bronzy color, so that it looks natural, and I can use it every day. This is very basic makeup to me, I feel. I hope that you can learn the eye makeup, because for eyeliners, right, actually the Japanese, right, don't focus on the eyeliner so much as much as the Korean. So it's really up to you what kind of techniques that you like. You can even skip the eyeliner if you want to. But for me, right, because my eyes are so small, I really much needed the eyeliner. Okay, and then after that, right, you can use the blusher. So I'm going to use this Peach Pop as my blusher. So a little bit goes a long way. Just smile. This part, make sure so just make sure it's 2 fingernails apart or 1 fingernails apart. That's it. Smile. Don't make it too much. A little bit goes a long way. See, simple and easy, and you can even use this peach pop as your lipstick. So make sure you actually have already moisturized your lips. So I actually moisturized the lips already. So I'm using this peach pop. Make sure you don't go over it. As a light lipstick. Just a simple lipstick like this. You look very good for a day look. And then you can apply your neck scarf. Okay. And then you can go out with this look already. So a very simple basic look. So I just want to repeat again. So what I use is I use my primer, liquid foundation, eye primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, blusher and lipstick. So this is very basic makeup. I hope that you like what I show you. If this video is useful for you, please comment on it and like my video, and please share and subscribe this channel. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!